Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on your iPhone XR. First, ensure your iPhone XR is running iOS 16.0 or newer for optimal performance. Next, confirm you have at least 8 GB of available storage space on your device. Finally, head over to the Apple App Store and download Warzone Mobile directly to your phone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start. To get the best experience, optimize your iPhone XR settings. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics quality to either low or medium for smoother frame rates. It's also wise to turn off background app refresh for all other applications. Before you launch Warzone Mobile, make sure to close any other apps running in the background to free up system resources. This will significantly improve your gameplay. Now, let's talk about mastering the game. Take time to customize your touch controls to fit your personal comfort and playstyle. Practicing regularly in the game's training mode will help you get familiar with weapon recoil and movement mechanics. Additionally, using quality headphones can give you a significant advantage by providing clear audio cues for enemy footsteps and gunfire. These small adjustments make a big difference. To further enhance your gameplay, consider investing in a compatible mobile controller. This can offer much better precision and comfort compared to touch controls, especially during intense firefights. Always ensure you are playing on a stable Wi-Fi connection to minimize latency and avoid frustrating disconnections. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your gaming setup. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.